Dear kids, in this video we will learn the family of alphabet A. Please subscribe this channel for more learning upcoming videos. Kindly like and share this video. Let's start learning and read with me.
Okay, let's start.
A.
Apple.
Apple.
An apple a day keeps you healthy and keeps the doctor away.
A.
Airplane. Airplane is a man-made aircraft with wings that can fly in the air.
A.
Ant. Ant is one of the world's strongest creatures in relation to its size.
A. Apricot.
Apricot is a fruit from an apricot tree. It is round or oval in shape.
A. Ambulance.
Ambulance is a vehicle made to carry sick or injured people to hospital.
A. Astronaut.
Astronaut is a person who travels into outer space.
A. Alligator.
Alligator is large lizard-like animal with long snout and powerful tail.
Let's learn and practice how to write letter A. Thanks for watching this video.
Please subscribe and like.